Hi all of you, I Ankit along with my co-authors Shirsha, Bose and Biplab Banerjee, thanking you for giving us the opportunity to present our work GAF-Net in WorkWeek 2023. That is a novel cross and self-attention based fusion network that substantially boosts up the classification performance in the remote sensing domain. Here are the agendas of our research work. Motivation. Firstly, we focus on how to leverage the large intermodal difference and data redundancy in the remote sensing classification, how to learn the disentangle global, say spectral and spatial attention mask and cross attention mask without affecting the feature learning, how to learn the discriminative features and penalize the high correlation between the modality specific features for the fusion. The below figure can easily depict the difference between the previous and the earlier cross attention and self attention based networks and our proposed architecture GAF-Net. Problem statement, as I said, that dataset can consist of multiple modalities and multiple input modalities and respective labels. Our contribution lies in the part of learning discriminative and compact features through attention learning. We propose non-local spectral and spatial self-attention learning through key value processing that is motivated from transformers. Third, we focus on learning the cross-attention mask from the auxiliary task. And finally, we reduce the redundancy between the modality-specific features which learn from the self-attention mask through a novel regularizer. We use five different kind of data sets. First HSI MSI, then HSI LiDAR, then HSI LiDAR for Augsburg and Berlin. Finally, we worked on audio-visual dataset that is advanced. Here we can see our proposed architecture, which consists of auxiliary task and main task, and the main task consists of self-attention blocks, and whereas the auxiliary task helps in generating the cross-attention mask with the main task, main path that is called student path. Here we can see the basic architecture of our self-attention block, which can be seen from figure 3D. Our self-attention block consisting of parallel connection of say, channel and special attention blocks. Our channel attention blocks consisting of two separate parallel global channel attention and local channel attention, which focuses on which focuses on learning discriminative features and discriminative and compact features through from the remote sensing domain. Here are some the experiments. So here we can see the experiments which has been done on remote sensing data sets, Houston 13 HSI MSI, HSI LiDAR, HSSR and HSI SAR for bugs and Berlin. And we can clearly see that GAF-Net outperforms all the previous state of the arts and our baselines by a fair margin. Similarly, we can see the trends for advanced dataset, that is audiovisual datasets, where we considered we can see that GAF-Net outperforms the individual modalities and the simple fusion modalities by a great margin, at least by 3%. In figure 4 we can see we have ablated our research work with different strategies like training data sets, different feature backbone and different attention mechanism. These are some visualization for the which has been generated from the Berlin dataset. Finally, we have generated some GradCam visualization for our research work for the audio-visual dataset, where we can see a great performance for the GAF-Net as compared to the previous fusion mechanisms. Thank you.